Hey guys, my name is Clarence Marshall. I'm actually the owner of FBO, which is Forex slash binary options group on Facebook. You'll be able to see a link. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll see a link to the page. That way you can follow everything that I post on that Facebook page. As of right now, I'm actually in a contest to try and get first place. You win money when you win first place. This is actually a binary options platform that I'll get into later on. But what I really want to touch on is overall financial markets, right? How do they move? What makes them move? Um, it's all about give and take and supply and demand. In my opinion, everybody has their own opinions on how, the reason why the markets move. Maybe because a big whale came through and dropped a whole bunch of money, or the bank came through and dropped a whole bunch of money, or whatever the case may be. But it's moving because of a reason. Money follows attention. Okay, that's what I want to say. Money follows attention. Oh, looks like I won that trade. Okay. All right. So, anyways, what I want to do is cover the news side of trading. I believe that this is the most important thing to go over. And what I want to say, the more news you have, the more edge, the more of an edge. I'm sorry about that. That was my telephone ringing. Uh, the more news you have on your side, the more of an edge you'll have also. So with that being said, I'm actually here on, let me get this off here. I'm actually here on investing.com, where I get a piece of my news, right? I get updates on my phone. I have the investing app downloaded on my phone, so I always get updates. I also have, Net Dana, which I'll go over later, as far as the things that you need for your phone to help you analyze the markets. So, for example, let's say we'll go to Forex. Say I'm starting my trading day. First thing you want to do is look at the news, right? I'm going to give you the game right now. But it's not going to be I'm not going to have you. It's not going to, what I'm about to share with you right now. It's going to help you, but it's not going to it's not going to. You're not going to beat the game. All right. It's a lot more to it, but this is going to help you out if you're struggling. See things like this right here. Euro hits 10-day high. Bond yields rise after ECB's comments. So I mean that was 20 minutes ago. Those type of things help out. You know, uh, you got things like this going on. The Aussie bullish upbeat. It gives you the time frame when it was released, and so on and so forth. I mean, the list goes on, right? I mean, one thing I could say to you guys: money follows attention. So you want to be where the money is at. Sometimes the market's dead. Sometimes the market's going flat. And let me see for an example. Uh, all right, that's not a good example. What I'm gonna do is pull up a charting platform that I always use. Bear with me one moment. All right, guys. I hope you guys are familiar with TradingView because this is exactly what I use to trade Forex with. I never use my phone. My phone, I've lost a lot of money due to trading on my phone, relying on charts on my phone. So if I was trading on my phone, it's because I'm getting out of a trade. I wouldn't use it to place a trade. But yeah. So as I find out where exactly the market is, because it's not pulling up the graph, gotta, gotta sorry, my phone's going to keep going off because I keep getting news updates. I follow a lot of people on Twitter, Bloomberg. It's all about the edge you give yourself. And guys, you got to understand that the more you have on your side, the more profitable you will be. So you want to do your research. You know, uh, I've been doing this for about 4 years now, and I'm finally seeing the light. It's finally starting to make sense now. But you gotta, to get to where I'm at, you gotta put in the time. Okay, guys? It's not gonna happen overnight, and it's definitely not gonna happen after you watch this video. It depending on where you're at in life, depending on where you're at, dang, that's a big wick right there. That's a big counter right there. But anyways, it depends on where you're at. Well, and also too, I'm also, here we go. So anyways, it's 2:24 a.m. where I'm at right now, June 6, 2018. All right, so I don't know where you are in life right now, but I want you to know that if you're watching this video, you're on the right track. You're actually trying to make something happen. All right, what I want to say is keep it up, and those long nights will make a big difference. All right, long nights, early mornings, whatever you have, whatever you do, uh, whatever time you trade Forex, trade it, do it wisely, and you know, learn the mistakes and don't make them again. Once you make a mistake, don't ever do it again. Right? It's like going to jail. Right? You went to jail for not paying a ticket. The last thing you want to do is not pay a ticket. Right? So it's the same thing like Forex. You lose a trade. You know why you lost. Don't ever do it again. All right. My first couple of years, I was young. You know what I mean? I was like 20. Well, I wouldn't say young, but I was like 22 when I first found out about trading. And dude, like I was making mistakes left and right, and I kept making the same mistakes only because, in my opinion, because I didn't write down at the time. I didn't write down my mistakes, and I just didn't really take it that serious. I was using demo accounts. I'll throw money in there here and there. I was looking at it as a gamble, when really this is actually something you need to take serious. All right. So I'm gonna let that sit in your ear for a while, sit in your head. So and again, guys, it's 2:30 right now. So I'm actually kind of tired right now. So I've been working on my website for a while. Here's a little preview of it, by the way. Yeah, I'm not going to go into details about it, but that is the website I'm working on, even though it has nothing to do with Forex. But I just been up working, man, grinding, I'm trying to make it happen. See, there goes another update right there. That's Bloomberg. So I always get updates on my phone about the news. When I get something big that pops up, I'll just y'all see what the market looks like, and if it looks good, I'll get into a trade. So like I said, guys, it's all about the edge you give yourself in the markets. And again, this is tradingview.com, which I'm gonna give you guys that later in the description box if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're in the group, I'm definitely gonna share with you the information in due time. All right. So yeah, I may post it up after this video is shown, so everybody's on the same page. In the near future, I will be offering a class to help people learn how to trade. I won't be able to do it now because my schedule is so busy that I just don't have time to teach everybody how to trade. But whenever I figure out the right time, the days to do this with, and take a poll to see how many people are interested in doing this and their time schedules, and yada yada yada, and then we'll go into that. But as of right now, I'm just giving you guys um, just a little information on how I place a trade. I go into the market knowing what the news looks like. One other thing that's important, right? The good thing about investing.com is that they give you all these selections. You get economy categories, you got economy indicators, dude. You got politics, you got you got everything on here, dude. And also, you also have the economic calendar, which is the most important thing, because you do not want to be trading when something major is going on and you have no idea that it's going on. This is how you find out, right? You go to your calendar. your economic calendar. No matter what you're using, whether if it's investing.com, Bloomberg, NetDana, those platforms, those apps, those they have calendar indicators, economic calendars that you can check out, and you can see the importance of of the the events. Like, for example, the interest rate decision. It's this very high. This is very high. so so yeah. I mean, it gives you everything you really need, everything you really need to know how to trade is really right in front of you. You just got to really take advantage of it, or you can use somebody like me to cut that learning curve. Because I wasted 4 years of my life to dedicate myself to learn this skill, so that way I can pass this on to my kids whenever I have some. So, with that being said, guys, I want you guys to know that this is very simple. Keep it simple. Don't make it complicated. As far as when it comes to charts and when it comes to tarts, I told you guys I've been up for a long time, it's probably 16 hours already. But you know, when it comes to charts, just have one open, man. I mean, when I trade, I only look at one chart, man. I don't have like 6, 7, 8 charts up. I keep saying tarts. I think I'm gonna go to the store and buy some sweet tarts. But yeah, I only traded one chart, man. I mean, I just keep one chart open, and I just stay focused on that chart. Now, it all depends on how that chart looks. If it's dead, and I'll show you what a dead chart looks like. If it's dead, I don't even mess with it. I go find something else. I go check out investing.com. There it goes again. I go check out investing.com or Bloomberg or NetDana or all my other sources that I go by, and I see what what the news is on, what the focus is on. Follow the money. You want to go where the money's at. You want to know what time certain markets open. You want to know what certain markets close. That stuff plays a big factor in your trading career, and I'll go into that here in the near future. So I want to say, stay focused, stay positive, stay motivated, and follow up with your boy Clarence Marshall here at FBO Forex and Binary Options. Take it easy, have a good morning, safe night wherever you are, and keep learning.